Good morning, gamers. It is me, Jork the Bork, and today I'm going to show you guys a brand new way to install Esign on your phone, such that you can sideload apps onto your phone on iOS 17 to 17.5.1 without a computer, without a jailbreak, and without Revoke. So let's get right into it. Now, if you've seen my videos in the past, we've always been using some random site that not a lot of people know how to use, and it's very frustrating. This is why I've created my own site, jorkthepork.com, that I have way more control over, and I'm going to be able to help everyone in installing Esign. So I modeled it after the Esign page, but I've been expanding on it. I've been adding a bunch of stuff. I've been adding certain apps that are nice, and I'm going to even add my own signer right here, such that you can sign your own apps. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to this site in the description. And there's a few things you can do here. You can install this on the app. You can check out like my social media. But what we really want is to install this Jork DNS profile. Now, again, unlike the normal Esign DNS profile, I created this. So what this does is it basically prevents revoking on your phone when you're trying to install certificates that are already revoked. A lot of the time people are kind of, nervous because they're like, is this safe? But I made this. I don't look at any of your data. Even if I could, I wouldn't because, you guys are my viewers. So yeah, it's completely safe. To trust it, head to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Find this next DNS profile and install it. A few people have asked me to add like an ad block to this DNS thing, and I will be getting around to that soon. I just haven't really had time to do that. So there you go. Now the DNS is all set up. So next we can head back to jorkthepork.com, and what you want to do is go to this signed certificates page, and you can see there's a green check mark. This actually isn't signed right now. Again, I need to update that, but you want to try installing eSign from the signed certificates page, and hopefully it works. However, there's a possibility that, and I know this certificate won't work for me, you're going to get this error, unable to install eSign because its integrity cannot be verified. So by the time you're seeing this video, it's possible that will work because there might be a signed certificate. Odds are it isn't going to work. Don't worry though, because we have a bunch of these Revoke certificates that you can install with the DNS. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and add more because now that's my own website. I can add as many as I want. So what you really want to do is just go down the list and find one that works. I mean, there's a bunch here. Again, I'll add more. The majority probably won't work. I think the best for me is usually either Aldo Group, Bank of Chongqing, or HDFC Life Insurance Company. So I'm going to try this HDFC Life Insurance Company one, and we will hope that it works. And you can see it worked just fine. If you get the error we were getting before, like unable to install or something, just try a different one. So you can see Untrusted Enterprise Developer. So to fix that, we head into Settings, back to that VPN and Device Management page, and you're just going to trust it. So then we can head into eSign, and it will work just fine. Like so. There is one more thing we need to do. If you head back into jorkthepork.com and you head over to the Jork Hub search thing, you want to download the certificates provided by Esign. Basically, what we're going to do is open it up into our files and then unzip it, and you'll get this page right here. You can see it's a folder that says Esign Cert 6. So you want to head back into Esign and click Import and find that folder. Now, I've done this a bunch, so I have a bunch of these, but you're just going to want to go to the one that you made. It's probably just going to say Esign Cert, and you want to click on whichever one you use to install Esign. So, for example, I use the, the HDFC one, so that's the one I'm going to tap. If a different one worked for you, that's the one you're going to tap. It's very simple, not much to it. So then you're just going to hit Import Certificate Management, and it should say Imported Successfully. And now you're ready to add your Now, for actually adding apps, you can add IPA files that you own, from apps that you've made yourself, or other IPA files that you actually own. However, Jork the Pork and this channel and I myself cannot condone using Esign to install IPA files that shows anyone how to get unauthorized access to content, software, or services that usually require payment. I do not condone this for any sort of malicious use like that. Once you do get your IPA file, however, you can head into the triple dot thing, click Import, and then find your IPA file. So for example, I'm just going to do this Misaka IPA right here, which is basically like a jailbreak tweak type app. And you're going to let it install, and then head over to Apps, and you're going to click on the app and click Signature, and then click Signature. It will say it's revoked. It's fine if you're using one of these Revoke certificates. If not, it won't say that. Then click Install, Install, and head back to your home screen, and the app should install just fine. If it doesn't, then you probably did something wrong, but comment down below and I will help you. And you can see the app opens up and loads just fine. I don't really know if this app is up to date, but whatever. You can see that the app loads just fine. So that's pretty much all. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is that in jorkthepork.com, I have Jork Signer right here, which has a few IPAs. All of these IPAs right here do not at all give unauthorized access to content, software, or services that require payment. These are jailbreaks right here. So yeah, you can use these, but there's only going to be things on here that do not bypass any sort of payment wall. So yeah, that's pretty much all. If you guys had any problems or you need help with anything, comment down below and I'll help you. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.